videos. So one of my friends suggested me like you should not delete your videos, like you are doing recording every day. After then, like I was deleting because of my because of storage. I didn't have storage that much, so I thought I should delete because like all everything is available on YouTube, so I don't have need. After then, like I told to my husband I need hard disk. So today I got, and now I will start to save my videos, so that in future suppose we will face this type of issue, unfortunately, so we can get quickly our subscriber. If we have our videos, then we can manage. Otherwise it will take time again.
Okay, ma'am.
See.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I am also extremely well, ma'am. Thanks for asking. And now, how are your day till now, ma'am?
Ma'am, it is good going on. Everything is good for me, and it is productive day. I can say indirectly because I have studied when I study. So I think it is my productive day.
Nice to hear. And second one thing that I am welcome you on my YouTube channel. You connected me really. I'm thankful to you, ma'am. Thank you. And first, before starting the conversation, just introduce yourself, ma'am, little bit for the audience.
Okay, ma'am. So, and first of all, I would like to say thank you for giving me this opportunity. And my name is Mamta Kmaut. I have completed my master degree in organic chemistry. After then, I did B.Ed and CTEC degree also I earned. And nowadays, I'm learning English because without English we can't survive everywhere. So then I started learning English.
Yes, good, good. Uh, Now my turn. Milan Singran. I'm from Delhi. I had done my graduation, master, BA. Now this time I'm an English teacher, and as we both are YouTuber, and our motto to upload the English content for the English learner. We are in this way we are practicing and as well with the English learners because we are uploading the shorts and videos. So it's good for the both, like for us
Yes, ma'am.
and as well as English learner.
Okay, so ma'am, may I ask you like which class do you teach?
Yeah, I am English teacher.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
English teacher. I teach English
Yeah, you are.
in the
Yeah,
school.
you are a teacher and you are going to teach you teach English subject, but which class, which standard do you
Standard,
teach?
man, fifth standard,
Sixth
fifth standard, sixth standard,
till
seventh
10.
standard. Yeah, yeah. And I also take the super spoken English big for beginners.
Okay, you started to give
Online.
classes
There,
for
yeah,
beginners also.
yeah, yeah. These classes are online, and other these are in my school. I school teacher, private school teacher. Yes,
Okay, so you are giving me online classes or offline both?
online classes and offline both. Both.
Okay, ma'am, it's great. Yeah, you are doing good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
So
Thank
how is going on your days, ma'am? I think you are totally busy, like you are taking sessions, you are giving classes for English learning.
you.
So it is
But
like
these days, the going summers are going. We are not vacation these days. And yes, day is my going very nice, productive because I had already one conversation with someone. So it's my motto to at least have the two conversation in that day. Now with you, it is now second conversation is going on. I am so happy. At least I am near to complete my goal, and after that I am free. There is now after that leisure time, anything I can do.
yeah,
So
ma'am. Today I was thinking like I should do at least two conversation in a day. So uh, I was thinking, but today I didn't have my laptop with me. I
oh,
forgot in our car, so that's why I was not able to take sessions. So that's why only I have to take only one session with you.
okay, okay. Because these days, the network problem also getting so problem. Last Sunday, I
Yeah,
had three session with someone, three session English conversation, but three conversation got in vain because of poor network. After when I got to know, because recording, I didn't get the recording. Oh my God! Then I shocked. I invest so much time for Sunday, but because of the summers, I think there's a power cut, and that's the reason poor network is all there. So there's a this for this. I was so upset that day. But anyhow, we can't do this is life. Sometimes good, sometimes bad.
Yeah, ma'am. It's happened, but indirectly we can say like we are consuming our time. At least we talked to each other and we share our thoughts and we got knowledge from the another person, and like we are improving our communication skill. So we
Yeah,
can take in a positive way.
absolutely
We
right,
didn't
man.
waste our time.
Absolutely right, and I resonate with you definitely because it is the way we when we interact with each other, so many knowledge we impart to each other. And in this way,
Yeah.
when we upload this video, it is good for the other beginners and the English learner as well. So if we
Yeah.
are investing time, I think it's good for good.
Hmm.
It is nothing to harm us. Instead of it's increasing our knowledge, we are gaining knowledge, and it is good for our communication skill as well as it's good. It's a boost our confidence. It's amplify
Yes,
your
ma'am.
confidence, self confidence, and self belief because these are very intermingled things. So when we discuss sometime good for good topics, sometimes we discuss in the conversation for good habits, sometimes we discuss over the English materials, English content. So all these topics are so much essential and good and vital for our growth and knowledge and communication skills.
Yes, ma'am. You are saying correct. And ma'am, nowadays like one of thing also happening like our side like rainy season it's started. So sometime our side it's rain. So that time it may be network issue.
Yes, ma'am. No,
And
ma'am, these days, no, we can't say about the climates. The weather is now versatile. Other earlier, it was like that because then when the summer there is no rain. Usually, we find no rain earlier when we were child. When there is a if summer is going on, it's going on. Then summer is going on. But now these days in summer, sometime we get rain, stormy rain, heavy rain, stormy wind. So we can say that these days the weather is versatile. So it's not in our hands. Sometimes it's very difficult. When we see that in the morning the sun is so bright, and till while coming to evening, immediately turns into the windy and muggy, and I can say rainy season like. So we can say about the weather these days.
yes, ma'am. And ma'am, how do you manage two channels? Like you are running Hindi and English
Very difficult,
both
man.
channels.
Really, really
How
right
do you
question
manage?
you
I would
asked
like to
to
ask you.
me. Sometimes I think it's very tough. I have started, but I don't want to give up because it is like challenge for me. Sometimes I think, okay, English challenge little bit hard because there is very less. And second thing, what happened with me, ma'am? I created my channel in November, okay, 25. But 4 or 5 days before, my phone got virus, and all the my data, all the subscribers' name vanished, and I had 400 500 subscribers, and all the names are vanished. I'm so upset. It's like a setback, like setback for me. But anyhow, I mustered my courage because I know it happens. The life is up and down. It's happened. It's with that. Anything happen with everyone. Anything happen with
Yes,
anyone. Can't say. So that time, okay, before 4 day ago, I was so upset. But anyhow, now I have started my new channel, and now I need subscribers. I need content to upload. So that's the reason I'm very much keen to have the conversation because my channel also. needs requirements some videos. All the videos deleted. And I had
Oh my.
uploaded in my previous channel 500 video, ma'am. Shorts and
Oh my.
videos.
So, ma'am, you didn't save your videos? You didn't save?
No, ma'am, my name because all the in the YouTube. That's the reason there's a lot of storage in my phone, and this laptop also. But my laptop is not working, even though it is new. But because of some
Yeah.
IT and some problems, some person, I don't know what happened. It's just not working, and I kept it aside. Okay, it's difficult task for me. I will see one day when I will be free, but I never get the time to fix it up. So
Hmm.
now this is my motto that I have to put lot of efforts for my English channel as well. And
Yeah.
Hindi channel also very nice, but I have started one I think 15 days ago. So I need material content a lot to upload. It's very tough task,
Yeah, ma'am.
but I don't want to now give up. I this is now challenge for me, and I think okay, anyhow I will manage.
You should have saved your videos so that you can gain, you can like go for fastly, for like you can get fastly your subscribers and views if you would have your videos. So one of my friends suggested me like you should not delete your videos, like you are doing recording every day. After then, like I was deleting because of my because of storage. I didn't have storage that much, so I thought I should delete because like all everything is available on YouTube, so I don't have need. After then, like I told to my husband I need hard disk. So today I got, and now I will start to save my videos so that in future suppose we will face this type of issue, unfortunately, so we can get quickly our subscriber. If we have our videos, then we can manage. Otherwise it will take time again videos. So one of my friends suggested me like you should not delete your videos, like you are doing recording every day. After then, like I was deleting because of my because of storage. I didn't have storage that much, so I thought I should delete because like all everything is available on YouTube, so I don't have need. After then, like I told to my husband I need hard disk. So today I got, and now I will start to save my videos so that in future suppose we will face this type of issue, unfortunately, so we can get quickly our subscriber. If we have our videos, then we can manage. Otherwise it will take time again if we are
Yeah,
starting again.
I don't. I can't say because that time also my bit was not working when I heard that. Oh my God, my because of virus, my all that data is deleted. But anyhow, now I am thinking. I am also thinking to save it in the pen drive, hard disk, and
Pen drive.
pen drive. So I was also thinking that it's very difficult. We are uploading 2 or 3 videos daily. So, but anyhow, I am also thinking that it's a good way to store the videos because in the any like these circumstances, if I had definitely I would be able to upload it again these videos. But I really regret uh, what to do now. Now I have to put
It's
lot of
happened.
efforts again. It takes a lot of time because subscribers also we can't get immediately. It takes time.
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am, it's happened with lots of person. So we should take a safe side.
You should save.
No
Definitely.
worry, ma'am. Like
Your presence is very wonderful.
yeah.
You should save. So when you have created your channel, ma'am?
Ma'am, it's been around 1 year, but like I was uploading before. I was uploading related to grammatical part. So it was taking too much time. So then I started reducing this type of part, and I started conversation. So it's been around 1 month I am doing conversation. But I was not consistent due to some reason, but now I am consistent. I am maintaining my consistency, because if we are not consistent, so viewers it will not come, and subscriber also we will not get. So then I started maintaining my consistency, so that I can I can get good views and subscriber.
I think also conversation videos good for the our motto is for the English learner. So it's good for them
English.
also.
Mhm.
So we are
And we
imagining
will
a lot
speak
of
every day. Mhm. And
definitely.
ma'am, one another motto we have, like if we will speak and we will interact with two different type of person every day, so we will learn fastly. Otherwise, like if we are breaking our consistency, so like it will take too much time. So that's why I want to maintain my consistency for learning purpose, or and for my YouTube channel.
Good ma'am.
Before, ma'am, I also tried to make different type of channel, 2 3 channel I prepared. After then, like I was not consistency, because I was not able to maintain those channel. Big lack of time, lack of consistency. Then I decided I should go for only one channel. First, it should be monetized and it should be working. Then I will start another channel. Otherwise, only I will do work on only one channel.
Okay, so you also try to start 2 or 3 channel in your mind something. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Everyone thinks this type of type, this type of things.
But every channel takes lot of time. Now I
Yeah,
have
it's
2 channels.
takes time.
Wow, because
Yeah, we can grow like. Mhm.
yes, ma'am.
Carry on.
No, no, carry on.
Okay, ma'am. I was saying you, like if we have consistency, if we are uploading videos every day, then it will definitely work. It will work our channel. Otherwise, it will not work.
Really, it's need efforts. Everything requires hard work. Sometimes sacrifice, because sometimes we are in like sometimes I don't grab my 40 link because of I feel that oh my god this time to upload a video. So I don't want to skip any time to upload video. When I think that it's now is the time to upload video, I totally push everything, I push aside and I only go for my video because I know my channel will not work if I took it easy, if I take it easy, so it will not work. We have to put a lot of effort to get again my subscribers and again my name in the audience. So, ma'am, that's the thing. And secondly, I was saying that I forget. So in Hindi it take little time, but in English taking too much time to if we want to go ahead with that, monetize the channel and all these things, it take time. But in Hindi channel, I am not taking too much serious the Hindi channel, even though it is so easy. If I go for that purpose and I put lot of efforts and consistency uh, and take concentration on my Hindi channel, definitely it will grow immediately. But I have my mind, most of my mind and my feelings in the English channel. I don't know. And I usually go for the English channel because I don't know. I love with this language, and I always will when I feel that this is new vocabulary, new idiom, no expression. So I just go for the upload the new expression for my English learner as well. So I have I so much into the English, ma'am. So this is the reason. Even though I know if I go for the English Hindi, definitely it will grow in very in 2 or 3 months. It will grow definitely. Sometimes when
But
I
ma'am,
get
you started, so you should work both channel. You should give time, your English channel, rather than your Hindi channel. You should
yes,
give little
right,
bit more
ma'am,
time.
right.
Yeah. And Hindi channel, you can make video in a week, 2 3 video. it would be sufficient. And Hindi, it would be easy for you. Randomly you can connect with different type of people, and you can get an idea those people, their thoughts you can know. After then you can upload. It is easy. There is no need to add subtitles and that much editing, because everyone is feel comfortable with the Hindi language.
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
can
Right.
go for. There is no need to stop. Whenever you got free time, like within one day you can make 2 3 videos, and after 1 day or 2 day, you can take a gap, and after then you can upload.
Right.
It will be makes a consistency then.
To upload the conversation video, I just conversed some co-learner in my channel, Hindi channel. And actually, what happened? Hindi channel is a one of the good for the English learner also, because when they feel that hesitation to face the camera, and they feel the hesitation in the English, they can switch to Hindi channel to boost their confidence and face. They now after then they can face the camera easily. So a lot of co-learner just ring me that for that purpose, that just we are not good. We are good at English, but we can't face the camera. So it's good to have started the channel. We in on your channel we can boost our confidence. At least we are both so easy with the Hindi. When we speak, it's okay. But by the mean we can adjust ourselves with the we can pop up with the camera. So that's the reason they are some people are so happy and they want to discuss on my channel on another topic so that they can be easy customized with the camera and after the English channel for the English conversation.
Yes, ma'am, it may be network issue, so your sometimes your voice and your video is stucking
That's a
sometimes.
problem. Really problem. So even though also I want to say that the English channel takes too much time. But if we are now a conversation, we go for the upload, this takes 45 minutes to for sometime 1 hour, sometime 1 hour to editing, to making thumbnail, and sometimes we have to correct them. Our videos we have to correct. So lot of work is there. But Hindi is no need too much to see and the to see and to scrutinize the video. We don't need not to scrutinize the video and editing too much. Just simple go is enough for the to ready the
Yeah,
videos. It's ready the
yeah,
upload for. Then it is good for the we can upload after just one throw. So yeah,
yeah, ma'am.
go.
Already you have done lots of hard work for your channel, so there is no need to go. There is no need to stop. You
So
should run your channel
thank
whatever
you,
you
thank
are
you,
having time.
thank you, ma'am. Everybody is doing so much efforts, ma'am, not me, even though you who's a YouTuber and they are just in family, sometimes they are in a joint family, they have to look after the kids, they have to look after meal, maids, so many work household. So they have to complete it as well. They have to practice their conversation, and after that, they have to maintain their YouTube channel also because it's necessary to upload one or two video. Very important to for the English channel. So very essential it is. So not me, everybody who's a YouTuber, like they are putting so much efforts. I
Yeah,
think
ma'am.
yes.
Yeah, and ma'am, day by day competition also increasing on YouTube also.
Yeah, ma'am.
So
We are not getting view even though we put lot of efforts in the shorts, even shorts video, we can't getting the view. We are not getting the view. I just upload morning in a video. There is no view too much. So I sometimes I think it's a we should not put so much efforts because while after maintaining the channel we are losing a lot of time and lot of things also. We sometimes we want to enjoy the life, we want to go out climate, sometimes we want to in the evening go out to have some the like hang out with the friends, but because of lot of work we can't go out. We can't hang out with the friends. We can't enjoy the time because of channels and the uploading the video and there's a lot of work also to complete. So that's the reason we are not enjoying totally for the this thing. And sometimes I think, okay, we are doing, but we are losing lot our life, environment, movement.
Mhm.
So with the family, sometimes we can't sit because every time we have a worry to upload the video. First off, we have to collect the content. Then we have to turn into video. We have to shoot video. Then we make it. We edit it. We have to thumb. There's so much work. So it's not easy task, ma'am.
Yeah,
Very
I can understand totally. I'm
yes.
I'm resonant with you. I used to do editing before, so I fed up from myself. Like, why I am doing this type of thing? It is taking too much time. Like, I'm not spending time with the family, and I'm not able to do household chores also in a proper manner. So after then, I decided like I'm learning English along with I should go for a conversation. So it would be better for me. And, like, automatically it will be make content for my YouTube channel, and like my goal also it will be fulfilled because I want to learn English. So that's why I decided.
It's nice day, ma'am. But anyhow, if I talk lot of you are in any group, ma'am. So when the learning our learning process is missing, we are missing our learning.
Which group, ma'am? In which group?
Any group do you have?
Ma'am, I don't have any personal group, but just I'm into two, three groups.
Let's plan.
One of group I am YouTuber. I am YouTuber. Like, it is, I don't know. Only day before yesterday I joined in that group.
YouTuber group is from this is created by the Seema ma'am.
Yeah, it may be, ma'am.
Yeah, I am also in that group. That's the reason it is easy to we can find the partner for the conversation and we can make the conversation video easily.
Yeah, easily. Yeah, some, like, I noticed someone was were asking in that channel, like, whoever, like, who is interested to talk to me. So then I thought like it is easy to find like co-learner.
Yeah, yeah. So sometimes we don't get any person member, so then we go for the with the YouTubers. We can easily do the conversation and we can upload then after. So our
Yes.
motto and our practice also complete as well.
Yeah, ma'am. It is not necessary. We should go for 30 minute, yeah, 40 minute or 40 minute. Like, at least if we are recording 20 to 20 minutes, it's sufficient.
You know, 80 minutes, 90 minutes enough, man. So now we have talked a lot and we had good session, a very practical and pragmatic session because very important thing we discussed, very insightful thinking were there. So thanks, ma'am, to connecting me. Really, I really enjoyed your company.
I also enjoyed, ma'am, with you. So thank you for, ma'am, giving me this opportunity, and I'm very
Thank you.
grateful for you.
You are
Thank
welcome,
you so
ma'am.
much, ma'am.
For that. Thank
Have a
you.
nice day. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Take care.